great tip on how to look after your knee pain. Hi, Johanna here, Osteopathic Health Clinic in Rotterdam. Now, I want to talk a little bit about knee problems and how you can look after your knee. There are some things that people do that aren't beneficial to either a rehab of a knee, or an injury you might have had to a knee, or an old injury, whether it's new or old. And there's just one thing I'd like to share with you that I often come across that people do when they've got knee pain. Obviously, when we have pain, we want to feel as comfortable as possible. And often what we do when we lie in bed is to put a pillow underneath our knee so that we have a slightly bent knee. That feels comfortable, obviously. Depending on a little bit what the problem is, this can become a problem in itself. Often if you have had surgery, your surgeon and your rehab staff is going to tell you to do exercises to really straighten your knee and to make sure that you're getting that full extension, so the full straightening of the knee back again. Now, the one thing that is not a good thing to do is to lie with a pillow underneath your knee for a lot of the time. What happens is that people then will lose that ability to actually fully straighten your knee, which in return will cause a lot of other problems. So having that pillow underneath the knee is something that you should try and avoid. So we recommend people to either lie on your side. You can pop the pillows between your knees if you need to, obviously if that's going to make it more comfortable. And also trying to really work on that extension, that full straightening of your knee. If you do like this, make sure you share it. Tell your friends, tell your family who might have knee pain. This is something that we deal with every day. And there are some really just simple things, sitting and just contracting, so tightening up these quads, that will help to really work on that straightening of the knee and really keep engaging these muscles. One other little tip, take that pillow, instead of putting it under the knee, put it under the foot, or put it up on something so it's just hanging. So there's a bit of space underneath here, so the knee can kind of relax into that straightening itself. Do it for as long as you can bear it. It might become quite uncomfortable. Then obviously remove it and get back into a bit of a bent position. So avoid putting a pillow underneath your knee. There are obviously situations when you've been advised to put a pillow underneath your knee, but other than that, on your own accord, it's advisable not to do it most of the time. And do those exercises if you're being told to kind of work on that extension of the knee, where you're just contracting these muscles on the front of your thigh. And the last one was putting that pillow underneath the foot so that your leg is hanging free and the knee is hanging free in that position. If you like what we've talked about, then click the like button, share with your friends, share it with your family. If they've got issues that they need to further investigate, we're here to help. We deal with these sort of problems all the time, and yeah, we're here for customers, we're here for patients. We love all our patients and we love helping out. So until next time, yeah, we'll see you then.